Have you ever heard of TP, the Tesla picker? Well, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey, this is another short video on how I ship micro machines. I just sold some, and I'm going to show y'all how to do it. See that bubble wrap? Take one. Roll it up. That's one. This is for the Batman. Roll it up. Roll it up. Micro machines. All you young people don't know what that is. But I just sold all these. You see all these over here? All individually, $6 a piece, whatever. I don't care. I sold this as a set. Well, came loose.
No matter how healthy.
See this tissue roll? Cut that. Damn it. Stick it in there. See that? That's how I ship micro machines. Okay, y'all. I just want to tell y'all that wear your mask. I had COVID. So wear your mask all the time. Wash your hands and everything like that. And you all take it easy. And just wanted to say, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah, peace.